this is me. Look out, 'cause here I come. And I'm marching on to the beat I drum.
You doing way better and all out of your feelings. Your edges came back and your ass is getting a little bigger. Girl, fuck that little nigga. Girl, fuck that little nigga. 'Cause you don't deserve that. Girl, you don't deserve that. Girl, you don't.
Hey Goofy Squad, welcome back to my channel, guys. So today is a cooking with me part 2, or episode 2. I am going to be making meatball subs. So my ingredients are some buns. They open up at the top. Have some Italian meatballs, frozen, and then some pepper jack cheese. Basic. I don't have any tomato sauce or anything, but it's okay. We're gonna get through this. And then I have this small little pot to cook the meatballs in. So we're just gonna get started with that. Very simple, quick meal to cook or whatever. And then y'all gonna see me eating my Hershey's cookies and cream. This is my favorite. I've literally got, like, they come in a pack of 6, and I literally have 3 boxes of it because I love it so much. And yeah, so if you know me, you know this is my favorite and I like it. So let's get right into that video. Oh, I was volunteering earlier today, so that's why I have this shirt on. I didn't feel like changing because if I do take a shower, and I'm just gonna go to sleep because I'm tired. But yeah, let's get into this video. I'm going to set them up. As you seen in the clip, I used my taco saucer for my sauce for my meatballs because I just didn't want them to be dry. And then we'll go to the store because I already was missing some because I was gonna initially make tacos, but I was missing some sour cream, and I love sour cream. So I was just like, you know what? It wasn't meant to be. So I'm gonna make some tacos tomorrow. Am I? No, I'm probably gonna make them Sunday. Oh, cause I don't need them today. I got 2 buns because I don't eat that much anymore. And then I'm gonna put my meatballs in here. Put my cheese on top, only 1 slice for both. Put it in the microwave to melt my cheese, and then we're gonna be done. And I'll show you guys the finished product. Product. Say it with the T, baby. Okay. Okay, so let me get a good angle. This is the finished product. The cheese is, like you've seen before, it's pepper jack cheese, and it has a little bit of jalapenos in them. But just a quick, easy freaking meal that you can cook. Not that many dishes to wash, just your plate, a spoon, and the pot set that it came with, and that's about it. So thank you guys for watching it to the end of this video. I'm trying to be more energetic and out there, so then you guys will like more videos. But like all YouTubers say, like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll be back. See, I said I'll be back with more videos. Peace.